Welcome back to the Tenorshare channel, where we dive into the hottest tech tools. Today, we're putting Google Opal under the microscope, a slick new platform promising to let anyone build AI apps without coding. Sounds exciting, right? Let's jump in and test it out to see if it lives up to the hype. Oh, and heads up, Opal's currently only available for US users, so if you're elsewhere, you'll need to fire up a VPN and switch to a US node to give it a spin. Let's get started. We tested two features to get a feel for what Opal can do. First up, the blog post writer Remix. I asked Opal to whip up a comparison between ComfyUI and its node-based interface. Wow, it delivered a ton of content in no time. Scanning through, it felt super professional, like something you'd read in a tech blog. Opal clearly dug deep, pulling info from various sources to craft a detailed output, almost like a Manu-style workflow showcase. The node-based setup is cool and visual, but honestly, it didn't feel like a game-changer compared to standard agent workflows. Still, it's a solid start for anyone looking to create polished content fast. Next, we tried the social media post feature. This one's straightforward, think quick, no fuss posts for your socials. It did the job, but nothing screamed revolutionary. It's fine for basic captions, but don't expect fireworks. Just a handy tool for churning out quick content when you're in a pinch. We haven't had a chance to test Opal's video features yet, but they sound intriguing. Want us to dive into those next? Drop a like and let us know in the comments. We'll get right on it. So, what's the verdict? Opal's a breeze to use, with an intuitive node-based interface that makes app building feel like a fun puzzle. It's perfect for beginners or pros who want to create AI apps for writing, marketing, or more without sweating over code. That said, if you're aiming for super customized workflows, it might need a bit more tweaking to hit the mark. Overall, Opal's a promising tool that's worth checking out, especially since it's free to try right now. Speaking of creating content, if you're worried about your AI-generated text getting flagged, we've got you covered. Our AI bypass tool transforms AI content into natural human-like text that slips right past detectors, perfect for blogs, marketing, or any project. Want the full scoop on Opal and how AI bypass can level up your content game? Click the link below for our in-depth tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe, smash that like button, and tell us in the comments what you'd build with Opal